the greatest baller of all time, the greatest footballer Jamaica has ever seen, the wickedest, skillest, baddest baller Jamaica has ever seen, Leon Bumbuckler Bailey. I already told you guys how I feel about that man, so I don't need to go any further with it. But what I will say, and what I would say, is that when he plays for Jamaica, Leon Bailey plays like shit. So, do we need to upgrade on Leon Bailey? Yes. And that upgrade is Mason Bumbuckler Greenwood, fam. Mason Greenwood. No, Mason Greenwood would be playing on the right wing. Now you know how Mason Greenwood is. He's a left-footed right winger who is equally deadly on his right foot. He can easily go on the left side and play right wing and play left wing as well. But he is so good on his left foot, and on his right foot, he will be deadly right at the edge of the box right here. Put Mason Greenwood in this area right here, and he is deadly at any given time. He can go on the right side,